All right, guys, back here with this Yale Superior. I was gonna gut it. I did the obvious thing, or I was gonna actually have it. I did the obvious thing, which was take out these screws, and then I found, oh, nothing's working. I knew it had something to do with these guys here, and it absolutely does. So what I'm gonna do now is show you guys how to get this one off. Now, I'm going to try to do this right here so you guys can see. But you need to put this somewhere firm to where you'll get a nice good firm tap on it. Oh shit. I don't know what that pin is or this other pin. There was two pins that dropped out over there, so that's good. That's good info. We'll just save those. I'm not really sure what they are yet, but we want to get this assembly off so we can have this half as well. That's pretty good and solid right there. So what it is that I did was I got a screwdriver and here, and then I tapped nice and firmly this way. I did it on the concrete ground, so and it's not giving it up easy this time either. Let's see if I can kind of keep you guys right here, otherwise I'll have to do it. I'm knocking all kinds of shit off here. So I don't know if you guys can watch, but just good luck. I'm gonna put it on the ground over here. I'm not sure what the hell you guys can see, but this is where I did it before. That's how I got it off. So, you need that toe in there, man. You just need the toe. Well, you know what's funny is the other one, I did that for a little while and it came right off. Maybe it needs this smaller screwdriver. Yep, now she's off. I'm just gonna give her one more tap. And she's off. So yeah, just on a nice firm surface. What a pain in the butt. But yeah. That is that. Okay, so I got those off. Used a Medico padlock to do that. That's hilarious. Got those. Those are just for the anti-decaying. I'm not sure what these are, so I'm just putting them over here. They fell out. And okay, that's that. With this, with whatever the hell that is. Spring. I'm not sure what that thing is bouncing around in there either. Got a retaining clip on this one, so let's see what the key does. seems to work. Definitely just pushes that thingamabob over here, pushes it back. So that's the same thing that's happening here. You have to remove this C-clip in here to access that. Okay, so that's that. Now at least I've got her in 2 halves. That's good. Good news. I'm not using this as a door lock, so I don't think any of these parts are relevant right now. So let's just go ahead and give this thing a gut. We'll do the easier half because, yeah, it's easier. I guess I could always reach in there and get that C-clip off, but I'm not going to do that. I will gut this one. Let's see what we got here. This. Give me that. You know, I always suck at these. I don't really have any idea how to really use these. There you go. I got that. I just pushed on one side and got that off. I hate gutting locks. So I don't do it much, but I'm new to dimples, so I definitely want to learn them and learn how to gut them. I did see somebody do this, and I don't think I need a shim, but the #1 rule usually is shim it, brah, shim 'em, boo. I feel like I could use the green follower here. I don't think it really matters. But that's what we're going to use. And we're keeping it like sort of at the o'clock. Yeah, well, that was successful. I think I did that okay. So I've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pins there. Trying to hold those. We'll dump this sidebar. Sidebar has 2 springs. We'll try not to lose those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is how I'm doing it. So I'm gonna do. Oh well, I guess that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, oh, that is 2. Let's do 1. Not 3, that's 5. Okay. First dimple lock gutted. So that's cool. Almost done. It's got the springs in there for the sidebar. You guys can see those. I guess I'll just dig those out. I don't really know why, but I'm doing it. I guess I want to see this thing like all the way. Okay. Now, gonna remove these. Are those just gonna? Okay, so those are going to come out now, and we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. We got springs in 1 and 4 still. And these don't have springs, so we can kind of check out how these little ledges, that's kind of cool. It's got the springs still down in here, and this is where the sidebar goes. So yep, that's that. It's got the springs in there. I'm just not going to dig them out. Let's see what we got in here. I'm doing this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, so I just go as I see them. And here we go. 1 is like a spool, barreled spool kind of thingy. Oh shit. 2 is a standard. 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 I think they're all going to be standard besides that first one, and then the back's going to have a little ledge for an anti-bump, I think. Yep. Anti-bump, and then yep. All right, it's got the springs in there. That's kind of cool. I don't think there's much else for me to do besides show these pins. That's kind of cool. That's what we got. My first dimple gut pick. Thanks guys for tuning in. Thanks for sharing. Hopefully I can help somebody figure out how to get those stupid things off of these. But that's that.